Hello and welcome to Trading with Rob. I'm Rob and this is the DAX daily markup on the 5-minute chart for Wednesday the 29th of April 2026. Overall, I saw the day as opening with a small triangle for the first hour or so, followed by a bear breakout, pullback and trading range into the rest of the day. The majority of the day was obviously in a trading range between the close of yesterday and the low of yesterday. So on the chart we have open of yesterday, close of yesterday, low of yesterday, as well as the open of the day is the dashed green line, red dashed line is the close of the day, and the 5-minute EMA as the solid blue line, and the 60-minute EMA as the dashed blue line. So overall, or at the start of the day, had a large bull bar followed by bear bars, big up, big down, confusion. It's the hallmark or trademark of a trading range. So for the first few bars, lots of overlap, tails above and below, poor follow through, and lower lows, well, higher lows, lower highs, forming a triangle. We then had a small breakout below the opening triangle, the open of the day, yesterday's close, and both EMAs. It's formed part of a 6-bar bear microchannel, which is always likely to get a second leg down, and we have a small second leg or a small pullback, which then allows us to define the top and bottom of the initial breakout, which we can then use to project down to a measured move target. Then had a second leg down that was made up of 2 legs itself, forming a wedge, 1, pullback 2, pullback 3, and then a pullback to the 5-minute EMA in a wedge. So again, 1, 2, 3. A second leg down from this first leg, this first complex leg, then formed, breaking slightly below the first leg, testing towards yesterday's low and finding support, not quite reaching it of course, and forming a lower low double bottom. Good reversal bar, which makes a 2-bar reversal pattern, and a series of consecutive strong bull bars, then testing the 60-minute EMA and also towards the yesterday's close. So we've had strong down and reasonably strong up. This could also be seen as a first leg, second leg trap. Micro double top for a second entry at the 60-minute EMA, pulling back down in a wedge to just below the 5-minute EMA. Then had a double top, a double bottom, double top, double top, double top, higher low double bottom. Quite a tight trading range around the EMAs for a good few hours in the day. A climactic bar breaking above all the prior highs in this trading range that's been going on for several hours, but it is testing the open of the day as well as yesterday's close. Good bear reversal bar forms and a higher high double top, leading to a strong reversal with a series of consecutive strong bear bars breaking below the EMAs, and with some of these being particularly strong. It is a bit of a parabolic wedge, and it's testing towards yesterday's low where buyers are being found, and it is a strong leg to the bottom of the trading range. We then have a series of consecutive strong bull bars breaking up from the test of yesterday's low where obvious support was found, back to test the 60-minute EMA. Again, another tight trading range, double tops, double bottoms, poor follow through on bars and lots of overlap, leading to a series of consecutive strong bear bars breaking below the 5-minute EMA, and this is relatively late in the day, testing again yesterday's low, which has acted as support for most of the day, and then a small pullback forming a higher low double bottom. This is obviously quite late in the day, so probably not tradable profitably. So then to look at the best stop order, sell order positions, setups for the day. First off, have the opening triangle, and once the bars start to break out below support of the EMAs, the open of the day and the opening triangle can start to sell below bars. Once consecutive bear bars start to form, selling below strong bear bars is reasonable as the move progresses downwards. Once we get a small pullback, can sell below the pullback, the reversal bar formed, and then looking at strong consecutive bull bars targeting either a measured move down or yesterday's low. Once we have the formation of the wedge, can then look to get long or go for a scalp on a reversal and follow through, and then again wedge testing obvious resistance at the 5-minute EMA, possibly looking for certainly a second leg down, perhaps even as large as the first leg, or maybe just testing towards yesterday's low. Obviously didn't quite reach there, but we did have a good test of the prior low of the day, so again good for a scalp. And then on the formation of a lower low double bottom as the market reverses back above the 5-minute EMA, looking to buy above strong bull bars for again a scalp, since we're now looking to be in a trading range. Once we have a test at the 60-minute EMA, reasonable place to look for reversal setups. Good reversal bar, strong bear bar at obvious resistance, reasonable to sell below. Then a wedge bottom, possibly okay to buy above, although weak bar, inside pattern that I've just noticed, reasonable to buy. And then again testing the 60-minute EMA, which has acted as resistance for most of the day so far, with price being below it, reasonable to sell again at that price, again looking for a scalp. And on the high low double bottom, maybe buying above. And once there is this climatic bar here, good reversal bar at resistance of yesterday's close, reasonable to short below, looking for a scalp initially. Once larger bear bars start to form, can extend the target downwards, potentially swing a small amount down to yesterday's low, or continuing to buy below strong bear bars, looking for this test. And then on the formation of a parabolic wedge, have quite climatic end to the bear leg down, can look to buy above strong bear bull bars and consecutive bull bars, looking for again a test of either the 60-minute EMA or potentially yesterday's close or the open of the day, but bearing in mind that today is a trading range and really we're looking for scalps rather than strong swings. Once we have a series of attempts to go higher, being rejected, potentially can sell below strong bear bars, again looking for a scalp, although it is getting late in the day. So overall, this is my daily markup for the Wednesday the 29th of April, and if you have any questions, comments, then please leave them below, and if you did find this interesting or useful, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.